Record Union for Musicians' honest review? Watch before using. If you're a musician considering Record Union to distribute your music, here's everything you need to know before signing up. Record Union is an independent music distribution platform designed to help artists get their music on major streaming services like Spotify, Apple Music, and Tidal. It's a solid option for those looking to maintain creative control while accessing global distribution. Key features include customizable release schedules, detailed analytics, and revenue tracking. It also offers optional add-ons like mastering services and playlist pitching, which can boost your music's reach. However, it's important to note that Record Union operates on a subscription-based model, so you'll need to pay annually to keep your music live on platforms, a potential drawback for artists on a budget. This platform is best suited for independent musicians and bands who value flexibility and simplicity in distribution. It's especially great for emerging artists who don't yet need the extensive features of major label distribution services. The setup process is user-friendly. You upload your tracks, input metadata, set your release date, and choose your desired platforms. One standout feature is its royalty splits, allowing you to divide earnings with collaborators seamlessly. A huge plus for producers, featured artists, and band members. On the downside, customer support is primarily email-based, and response times can vary, which might be frustrating if you encounter urgent issues. Additionally, while the analytics are detailed, they're not as advanced as what some competitors offer. For instance, platforms like DistroKid or CD Baby might provide more comprehensive insights and additional features at a similar price point. In terms of pricing, Record Union offers flexible plans based on the number of songs you want to distribute. However, keep in mind that you don't get unlimited releases like some competitors. This could add up if you release music frequently. That said, the platform's clean interface and streamlined process make it a great choice for those new to digital distribution. Overall, Record Union is a reliable distribution platform with core features that cater to independent artists, but it's not without its limitations. If you're looking for a straightforward, user-friendly service that balances affordability with flexibility, Record Union could be a great fit. Just make sure you weigh it against competitors to ensure it meets your specific needs. I hope this review saves you time and helps you make the right decision for your music career.